Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate the word cloud from the text or a web page. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. You don't even require any third-party application or software. And in the search bar, you have to search for wordclouds.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply write this URL and hit enter, and wait for the website to respond. Once the website gets loaded, it will generate a cloud for you, and it will ask you to upload the words. Now here you can see a temporary or a sample cloud have been generated. Now I can make changes to them. I can easily change the edit word list and add the words according to my need, or I can change the theme or the shape for the same. I can even change the color theme or anything I want. Once I am satisfied with the changes, I can just simply download it and use it wherever I want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.